do you see this face shape? Well, it looks rather normal, even somewhat oval. And I get a lot of people asking me, oh, what kind of hairstyle should I have for an oval face? Maybe there's something wrong with my face shape. I don't know. What should I have? Well, basically, an oval face shape is the perfect face shape, okay? Oval means that you can wear any hairstyle. If you look in the mirror and you just actually do it on your own face, you can go like this and you feel it's just a natural progression that goes down to your chin. You don't feel any sort of width, or you have a kind of a longer face shape or square. You can just kind of work down like you're almost caressing your face, and you see how the face shape works and how it kind of molds into itself. That's your face shape. And an oval face shape literally is the best face shape for any hairstyle. You can wear anything. Now, the only suggestion I would have is if maybe you have an oval or somewhat even rounded face shape. It depends if you're looking to camouflage something. So if you have an oval face shape, but you have a huge scar here, or a birthmark, or a calic, or something here, then you need to wear a hairstyle that, if you want to cover that, it's got to be long enough to cover it, right? If you have, a rounded oval face shape, and you want to narrow it down because you feel like, oh, my face shape it looks too wide to me, then you can wear something that's more towards the face this way and more triangular look where it goes longer and it covers this up a bit, and that may actually help lean out your oval face shape. So all in all, the right haircut does play an important role in your face shape, but at the same time, having an oval face shape is literally the ideal one. You can wear any hairstyle, anything. It's going to be complimentary, but just keep in mind if there are certain things that you're trying to camouflage on your face, then you may have to change up the haircut slightly. But for all you perfect oval face humans, then you're in a good situation and you can wear any sort of hairstyle you want. If you want to learn more about other face shapes and things, just type in face shapes, the Salon Guy, and you'll see the dozens of videos I've done on haircuts for different face shapes, all right? So if you want to use any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.